Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by confirming device compatibility and connectivity. Check your LG TV supports AirPlay 2 in its specifications. Verify the TV firmware is updated to the latest version. On your iPhone or iPad, open Settings and confirm Wi-Fi is enabled. Connect the phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Use 5 GHz when possible for best performance. If your LG model does not support AirPlay 2, prepare an Apple TV or an HDMI adapter as an alternative. Power on the LG TV and go to Settings to enable AirPlay. Navigate to General and open Apple AirPlay settings to turn AirPlay on. Set Require Code to first time only for easier future connections. On your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring to search for the LG TV. Select your TV name from the list and wait for a numerical passcode prompt on the TV. Enter the on-screen code into your iPhone to complete pairing and start mirroring or casting media. If mirroring fails, restart both the LG TV and your iPhone or iPad. Power cycle the Wi-Fi router and reconnect both devices to the same network. Check that the TV and phone are on the same IP range and avoid guest networks. Update TV firmware and iOS to resolve compatibility issues. As an alternative, connect an Apple TV via HDMI or use a Lightning to HDMI adapter for direct screen output. If problems persist, reset the TV network settings and re-enable AirPlay to restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.